Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word preferential. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She received preferential treatment at the restaurant because she was a regular customer. Preferential means showing or giving preference or special treatment to someone or something over others based on favoritism or advantage. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.